Hi, in this video we are going to see how to create a free tier account and how to create a Ubuntu server on AWS. Okay, AWS provide, there are so many services, web services provided by AWS. In this demo, we are not going to use one of them. We are going to use EC2 services, which is the compute service provided by AWS. Same like Microsoft Azure and Google GCP. AWS give 1 year free tier account. To access that URL, you have to type aws.amazon.com/free. Yes. Here you can see these are all the services provided by AWS for the free tier account. We are going to use this compute service. If you noticed here, we can use t2.micro instance. t2.micro is nothing but an instance type. We will see that later. First, we have to create an account. Click on the create free account. Here you have to provide your mail ID. Give some password. Give any name. Click continue. Oh, I already have the account with this mail ID. Okay, let's say table 1. In here, you have to choose personal. Then give your name and your mobile number, country, address, city. After this, you have to give your credit or debit card number. Since I already have the account created with my credit card number, I'm not going to enter my credit card number here. However, you can give your credit or debit card. It's recommended because they don't take money from your debit card without your consent. They will charge 2 rupees for the verification. However, that 2 rupees also will be refunded to your account within 3 to 5 days. Once you added your credit card or debit card, you can verify and add. Then after creating this, it will take 4 to 5 hours to activate your AWS account, and they will call regarding AWS account creation. You have to tell them this is for exploring purpose, or you're a student, you're currently exploring AWS. They will call. So I'm showing you that already created account. This is how you have to create your free tier account. So now I logged into my account. To create Ubuntu server, you have to take the services and build under the compute option. You can find the EC2 service. EC2 thing, but elastic compute. Here I already running on server. You have to create the EC2 instance. you have to click launch instance. In this step, you have to create the operating system. There are so many operating systems officially provided. The AWS there, and also you can see the marketplace. In our case, we are going to use this Ubuntu Server 18.04 LTS for this demo. I'm choosing this. In this step, you can see that there are so many types. Only one type is a free tier eligible T2.micro, which is combined 1 gigabytes memory and 1 virtual CPU. If you want the higher performance, you can choose the higher types like T2 medium or large like that. But remember, you may have to pay for this instance. If you want to use this account for free, you have to choose T2.micro. Okay. Then click configure instant details. In this step, don't change anything. Just leave it as a default. If you have the customized VPC, you can select here. As of now, this is not our cup of tea, so don't choose anything. Then click add storage. Here by default, they have given 8 GB. For the free tier account, 30 GB you can use for that Ubuntu server for free. So you can click, you can type 30 and click add tags. Add tags is nothing but this is for a reference purpose. If you are going to use hundreds of virtual servers, you can give the group name or like key and value. By using these values, you can easily group so many instances. But this is not right now. We don't want these things. Just take configure security group. In this step, we are going to give the security for ports. By default, there are SSH port 22 now will be opened. We need 8080 for the Jenkins. 8080. So okay, that's it. You can preview and launch. You can check all the details, whatever the details you give. When you click the launch button, you will prompt for the key pair. Here, click the create new key pair and enter the name. And download this key pair. And then launch the instance. You can see the logs. That's it. Ubuntu server is created. Once you download the PEM file, it is always safer to get a backup of that PEM file. So in the description, you can see that my Ubuntu server IP is 18.2.21. 33.161. Just copy this to connect to this Ubuntu. If you're in a Mac, so my PEM file name is jenkins.pem. So I have to take on backup, and you have to change the permission. So I have given the 400 permission to the Jenkins demo PEM file. Now I have to connect SSH if and I, then PEM file, then Ubuntu at my server IP. Hit yes. Right. So right now I'm in my Ubuntu server. So I have successfully created the Ubuntu server. If you are in the Windows, you can use the WinSCP or PuTTY for connecting to the Ubuntu server. I'll have the separate video for the Windows. The link in the description. Please check it out if you want.